Hey y'all, so I just came back in because I went out. It's 9 probably. I left the house about 8 something. Headed to Michael's. So I got to, and Leah just picked, KK dropped the cereal and you eating it. That's my youngest grandbaby. Hubby one on the 6th. So y'all, this is what I'm gonna be doing tonight. I didn't get my top piece because by the time I left out of Michael's, I wouldn't have had enough time to make it to Lowe's because they was down the road and they closed at 9 too. So I'm gonna go tomorrow morning, hopefully, and get my top piece. Ooh, I'm so happy, y'all. I've been wanting to do this for the longest. Now I'm gonna remove my dresser. Cause that'll be too big. Pull that one out. Let me see how wide it is. Then. As you can see, I moved my drawers around so that I can fit my top. I didn't get the long top, so I had to push them closer together. Until eventually I got it to fit just the way I wanted to. I thought about gluing it down, but I changed my mind because as y'all can tell, I like to move my room around and I don't want to have to look the whole thing around, so I decided to leave it alone. Bunny, come out. But still. Now, I ended up ordering my mirror offline, y'all, and as y'all can see, it's kind of small. I will have the size and the price at the end of the video, but I ended up working it out perfectly. I was upset though when it first came because I was expecting something a little longer, but I made it work. These are my dimmable vanity lights I ordered off Amazon, and I'll have the price for those as well. They have a little pink to the back. That's why I think I ordered them, but I didn't end up showing the pink, as you can see. And I'm actually missing one of my bulbs. Don't ask me what happened to it. It's somewhere in my room, but once I turn them on, I really don't need it. And this is my receipt for my drawers. Found them at Michael's for $50 each. They had them on sale. I couldn't use a coupon, as you see, because the coupon I had wasn't for sale items, but there was only 108, so I still looked out because there was $100 each. My desktop came up to 13, still cheap. Wasn't bad at all. My vanity mirrors my vanity lights I ordered from Amazon, and as you can see, they was $10.60 for 10. They do have the little switch on them, and they were only $11.34 after taxes. And then my mirror I ordered from a company, I'm not even gonna get the name, y'all. It was the worst experience ever, but it was only $10.80. It took these people almost 2 weeks to send me this mirror. Horrible. I'm not gonna get too in depth about the mirror because I'm gonna make a separate video about it, but I hope y'all enjoyed my vanity. Tell me what y'all think about it. Thanks, y'all.